Hi guys, before starting the video, I am making a request to you, please subscribe my channel. A comprehensive overview. Apple's iPhone 16 represents the pinnacle of smartphone innovation, integrating cutting-edge technology with sleek design. As with previous iterations, the iPhone 16 aims to redefine user experience through advancements in hardware, software, and ecosystem integration. Here's an in-depth look at what makes the iPhone 16 stand out. Design and build. The iPhone 16 continues Apple's tradition of combining elegance with functionality. The device features a refined design, with several notable changes. Materials. The iPhone 16 uses a new titanium alloy frame that enhances durability while keeping the phone lightweight. The back is covered in a textured ceramic shield that not only resists scratches, but also improves grip. Colors. Apple offers a fresh palette of colors, including deep blue, rose gold, graphite, and an exclusive sunset orange. The new finishes are designed to complement the device's sleek lines. Dimensions. While maintaining similar dimensions to its predecessor, the iPhone 16 has a slightly thinner profile, making it more comfortable to hold. Display. The phone features a stunning 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, offering smoother scrolling and enhanced responsiveness. The display now supports 4K resolution, delivering sharper and more vibrant visuals. Additionally, the introduction of a new adaptive refresh rate feature ensures a fluid experience while optimizing battery life. Performance. At the heart of the iPhone 16 is the latest A18 Bionic chip. This chip represents a significant leap in processing power and efficiency. CPU. The A18 Bionic features a 6-core CPU, with 2 high-performance cores and 4 high-efficiency cores. This results in up to 20% faster processing speeds, compared to the A17 chip. GPU. The new 6-core GPU delivers enhanced graphics performance, making the iPhone 16 ideal for gaming and graphic. Neural Engine. The 16-core Neural Engine enables faster machine learning tasks, improving capabilities in areas such as facial recognition, augmented reality, and computational photography. Efficiency. Apple's continued focus on power efficiency means the iPhone 16 offers improved battery life, with up to 25 hours of video playback and 30 hours of talk time. Camera system. The iPhone 16's camera system is a significant upgrade, focusing on versatility and advanced computational photography. Main camera. The rear camera system features a 48-megapixel main sensor with an improved f/1.7 aperture, capturing more light and detail. This is coupled with advanced image stabilization and enhanced low-light performance. Ultra-wide camera. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera has been upgraded with a new sensor that offers better edge-to-edge sharpness and reduced distortion. Telephoto lens. The 12-megapixel telephoto lens supports 5x optical zoom. Front camera. The 12-megapixel TrueDepth camera system supports improved portrait mode and night mode. It also features a new depth sensing technology for enhanced Face ID security. Software. The iPhone 16 introduces several new camera features, including ProRAW support, advanced computational zoom, and a revamped night mode that utilizes machine learning to enhance low-light photography. Software and features. The iPhone 16 ships with iOS 18, which brings a host of new features and improvements. Enhanced widgets. Widgets are now more interactive and customizable. Users can add widgets to the lock screen and home screen, providing quick access to frequently used apps and information. Live activities. iOS 18 introduces live activities, which allow apps to display real-time information on the lock screen. This is particularly useful for tracking sports scores, delivery updates, and ongoing events. Focus modes. Enhanced focus modes allow users to create custom profiles for different activities, such as work, sleep, or personal time. These profiles control notifications, app usage, and other settings. Health and fitness. The Health app has been upgraded with new features for tracking mental well-being and sleep quality. There are also new metrics for fitness enthusiasts, including advanced workout tracking and personalized health insights. Privacy. Apple continues to prioritize user privacy with new features such as mail privacy protection and app tracking transparency. Users have greater control over what data is shared and with whom. Connectivity and battery life. The iPhone 16 offers several improvements in connectivity and battery performance. 5G. The iPhone 16 supports the latest 5G standards, including both sub-6 GHz and mmWave frequencies. This ensures faster download speeds and improved connectivity in more areas.